Hi guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we're unboxing this Playzone Vehicles 11-piece farm set. Wow! Look, it comes with a barn and a farm and lots of buildings and 2 tractors and lots of fun things. Let's check it out. What a super cute set! This set comes with a little wooden fence. Here's a red tractor. I love the big wheels. They have such nice treads on them. You can see where the driver sits, and there's even a little steering wheel. Super cute. You can hook trailers on the back. This trailer comes with 2 logs. You can fill it up with lots of other things too. I love that the back opens and shuts. Here's a little barrel of hay. Here's a sign towards the farm. Here's a green tractor. Yay! I love having 2 tractors. Here's a combine that harvests. Wow, look, it picks up the plants right here, and then the seeds come out of here. So fun! This set also comes with a barn. The doors really open. There's a hayloft and 2 windows. We also have this little awning. We can keep all sorts of equipment under there. It says farm. Here's another shed that has doors that open. Wow, it's a busy day at the farm. I can see horses and cows. The tractor is going to the fields. He's plowing the fields so that he can plant some crops. Now that the seeds are there, it's going to start growing soon. Let's fertilize the ground. Everyone's working hard on the farm. Ooh, it looks like it's harvest day. Here comes the tractor. The tractor's ready to go get the crop. This is going to help dig the crop up. Let's see what we've got. Wow, look, our farm is full of crops. Let's see what we're going to get first. Look at all those carrots. Let's load them into the wagon. Our wagon is full of carrots. Here's our truck waiting for the delivery. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.